Welcome to MetaMask versus Shapeshift. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description below. In this video, we'll compare these two crypto wallets in terms of features, usability, security, and target audiences to help you decide which one suits your needs better. MetaMask is a highly popular software wallet designed for Ethereum and compatible blockchains, such as Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. It's available as a browser extension and mobile app, making it ideal for users who actively interact with decentralized applications, dApps, NFT platforms, and DeFi protocols. MetaMask also includes a built-in token swapping feature, enabling seamless transactions without leaving the wallet. Its Web3 integration makes it perfect for navigating the ever-expanding crypto ecosystem. However, as a hot wallet, its security depends heavily on users maintaining good security practices, like safeguarding seed phrases and avoiding phishing attempts. Shapeshift Wallet, on the other hand, is a non-custodial, multi-asset wallet, integrated with the Shapeshift platform, offering seamless crypto trading without intermediaries. Supporting over 70 cryptocurrencies, it caters to users looking for a decentralized experience without compromising privacy. Shapeshift is known for its no KYC policy for trading, appealing to privacy-conscious individuals. It offers hardware wallet integration with Trezor and KeepKey for enhanced security, making it a versatile choice for managing digital assets. Additionally, its DeFi capabilities, such as staking and liquidity provision, expand its functionality. However, the platform's multi-chain support is relatively limited compared to competitors. When choosing between the two, MetaMask is the go-to option for those deeply involved in Ethereum-based ecosystems, especially if you regularly engage with DeFi, NFTs, or other Web3 services. Meanwhile, Shapeshift Wallet is better suited for users who prioritize privacy, want access to decentralized trading, or prefer managing multiple assets in a simplified yet secure interface. In conclusion, choose MetaMask if you're active in Ethereum-focused projects or need robust dApp connectivity. Opt for Shapeshift Wallet if privacy, easy decentralized trading, and non-custodial asset management are your top priorities. Explore both wallets using the links in the description and share your thoughts in the comments.